If I had to summarize our entire journey with Rippling to date, I could probably do it in 2 words. It's efficiency and repeatability. By having this integrated ecosystem, being able to bring some of the tools that we want to continue to remain on and really power the engine that I can get from Rippling, and where we get clear visibility, just gives us the confidence to have efficiencies around our HR and IT processes, that we don't have things slipping through, and repeatability, that we're not going to have gaps when it comes time for an audit, or a user doesn't get the access they need, or those things that used to fall through the cracks. And the one that really stood out for us based on the pain point we were experiencing was the warehousing capability. So we are a distributed workforce. I'm here in New York. Our headquarters at the time was in Palo Alto. We had 0 IT representation in Palo Alto. So what that meant was I was having to ship laptops back and forth, jump on the call with our HR team, who was actually my hands-on keyboard, to help turn over our laptops. Before, I'd have to go buy a laptop, I'd have to set it up myself, add our MDM, enroll it in Apple Business Manager, ship it out, coach the user through how to set up first day. We were spending hours a week. It was just very, very frustrating to have to deal with, and we didn't have a better solution. We even were paying for another third party just to ship the laptops around. So you can start to see it was kind of a disjointed ecosystem. As we started to take a look at the capabilities within Rippling, we said, okay, we can not only source the devices from Rippling, we can go ahead and provision the device access in Rippling. We can also start to programmatically assign access to those teams, to those users, based on the various user profile information. From day one, after they've clicked, yes, I want to work for Productiv, I've accepted my offer letter, a automated workflow kicks off. 14 days before they start, the device gets shipped out. 7 days before they start, Okta access is provisioned. When they get their device, they open it up, they take that password, they log in, the MDM is deployed on their device, and at no point has my IT team had to lift a finger to do anything other than track the ticket, make sure the device was received, and that the user has no issues logging in. And it's the same thing in reverse when a user offboards. HR doesn't have to remember to let us know. All they have to do is select the user's last day. As soon as that date and time has passed, their access is revoked within a few minutes, which means all of the downstream applications are revoked. Rippling handles sitting the box, wait for the retrieval. Once they get the box back, they clean it, they rotate it. And so it really is just streamlining the end-to-end process.